Navigating a crowded urban area with a large vehicle is no easy task. It involves a variety of complex driving situations, limited space, congested traffic, parked cars, cyclists, and distracted pedestrians. Over 600,000 vulnerable road users worldwide are killed in road crashes every year, many of them due to crashes with large vehicles. Most crashes between large vehicles and road users occur due to significant blind spots surrounding the vehicle. These blind spots pose the largest threat when turning. Mobileye Shield Plus is a collision avoidance system designed specifically for large vehicles operating in urban environments, enabling early detection of cyclists, pedestrians, and vehicles ahead, helping to reduce collisions and subsequent injuries or fatalities. Using computer vision with strategically placed cameras, Shield Plus acts as the driver's co-pilot, continuously monitoring the road ahead as well as its blind spots. Shield Plus provides real-time visual, audio, and vibration alerts whenever pedestrians or cyclists are in a danger zone, providing drivers adequate time to react. Shield Plus now comes with fleet management software, giving fleets the information they need to make more efficient use of their vehicles. And hotspot mapping gives city planners access to an online map displaying hotspots based on aggregated alert data. The revolutionary Shield Plus technology empowers drivers of heavy vehicles and protects road users, making our cities safer for everyone. Mobileye Shield Plus. Safety at every turn.